Number 5. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a jaw-dropping collision of hypercar DNA and luxury living. The very name Chiron has always meant one thing: uncompromising performance. But now, the T has taken that same energy, the same obsession with perfection, and stretched it across 60 wheels. From the moment you see it, you know you're not looking at any ordinary motorhome. The signature horseshoe grille sits proudly at the front, framed by sleek, aerodynamic curves that sweep back into a body the size of a multi-story mansion on wheels. Every panel is sculpted with precision, finished in a glossy pearl-white upper body with a muted gray lower section, separated by elegant chrome trim. The roof, fully lined with high-tech solar panels. The stance, pure authority. And while no one's taking this to the track, let's just sit still faster than any RV has the right to be. The Bugatti badge here isn't just branding, it's a promise. A promise that every inch, inside and out, would meet the standards of the world's most exclusive customers. And once you step inside, that promise explodes into reality. First stop, the kitchen. It's compact, but dripping in elegance, polished white marble countertops with soft gold veining. Integrated high-end refrigerator hidden behind seamless cabinetry, a minimalist induction cooktop, and a brushed gold faucet over a deep sink. Subtle LED lighting under the cabinets makes the whole space glow. Then, the bedroom. Floor-to-ceiling tinted glass windows bathe the room in natural light when you want it. Privacy when you don't. A king-sized bed with silk linens dominates the space, framed by Bugatti's signature quilted leather patterns on the walls. Soft ambient lighting gives it that quiet, private jet feel, even while parked in the middle of nowhere. Finally, the bathroom. And calling it a bathroom feels wrong. This is a spa. Marble floors, rainfall shower with smart temperature control, gold fixtures, and yes, heated floors. Even the mirror is smart, with built-in lighting and an anti-fog feature. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron Motorhome isn't just a new chapter in RV design, it's the luxury lifestyle on wheels, crafted for the 1% of the 1%. It's proof that if you can dream it, Bugatti. The 2026 Kenworth T2O double-floor motorhome. This is where raw American trucking muscle meets billionaire-level luxury. The Kenworth T2O has always been a legend in the world of long-haul rigs, known for its durability, power, and unmistakable road presence. But now, it's been transformed into something you've never seen before: a two-story rolling mansion. From the outside, the T2000's iconic aerodynamic nose remains, but it flows into an ultra-long trailer unlike anything else on the highway. The lower section houses the core living spaces, while the upper level adds private suites and a panoramic lounge. A gleaming pearl white and brushed silver body rides on massive polished wheels, with chrome trim catching every ray of light. Huge tinted glass panels stretch across the sides, while a built-in staircase at the rear hints at the multi-floor wonder inside. The scale is jaw-dropping, towering over standard RVs like a skyscraper among houses. Powering this beast is a state-of-the-art diesel-electric hybrid system, giving it both long-haul endurance and surprisingly smooth, quiet operation. It's built for cross-country luxury travel without compromise. Step inside, and the first stop is the kitchen, small but executed with precision. Polished granite countertops with subtle gray veining, an integrated high-end fridge hidden behind, custom cabinetry, a modern induction cooktop, and a stainless steel sink with pull-down sprayer faucet. Soft LED strips under the cabinets give the space a warm glow. On the upper level, the bedroom feels like a luxury hotel suite in the sky. Floor-to-ceiling windows give sweeping views of the world outside, with privacy glass at the touch of a button. The king-size bed is wrapped in premium Egyptian cotton, surrounded by rich walnut paneling and ambient ceiling lighting. The bathroom, pure indulgence. A spacious walk-in shower with glass doors, rainfall head, and customizable water pressure. Quartz countertops, a designer vessel sink, heated floors, and gold-accented fixtures give it a level of sophistication you'd expect in a high-end penthouse. Not a truck, the 2026 Kenworth T2O. Double-floor motorhome is more than a symbol of ambition, designed for those who want to take the road without leaving the luxury of home. It's the trucking world's answer to the question, what if your journey was as extravagant as your destination? The 2026 Ferrari luxury motorhome. The ultimate marriage of Italian supercar passion and world-class luxury travel. Ferrari has always been about precision, speed, and design that makes your heart race. But this time, they've reimagined what it means to take a journey, turning the spirit of the prancing horse into a rolling masterpiece. From the moment you see it, you know this isn't just another RV. The signature Ferrari front end. Aggressive, sculpted, and unmistakably aerodynamic, flows seamlessly into a long, sleek motorhome body. Finished in Ferrari's iconic Rosso Cosa red with subtle black carbon fiber accents. It looks fast, even when standing still. Large, tinted. Glass panels line the sides, creating a striking contrast against the deep gloss finish. Chrome exhaust tips and custom alloy wheels complete the look. A true supercar on a grander scale. Power comes from a hybrid V12 system inspired by Ferrari's Formula One technology, delivering thrilling performance while maintaining smooth, quiet cruising on the open road. This isn't just transportation, it's an experience. Step inside and you enter a world where racing heritage meets private jet opulence. The cockpit feels like you're inside a high-end Ferrari GT carbon fiber dashboard. Alcantara leather wrapping every surface, a flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated controls, and a fully digital driver display that stretches across. The console, moving further in, the kitchen is compact yet exquisitely crafted. Black marble countertops with red veining. A built-in stainless steel fridge hidden behind carbon fiber look panels. A modern induction cooktop and a deep sink with a brushed gold faucet. Subtle LED lighting under the cabinets gives it a warm glow that complements the bold Ferrari red theme. The bedroom offers a calmer, more serene palette, cream leather walls, soft red accents, and a king-sized bed with memory foam mattress wrapped in Egyptian cotton. Large panoramic windows offer breathtaking views, with privacy glass at the push of a button. And then there's the bathroom, a blend of Italian design and Spallivala luxury. A rainfall shower with tempered glass doors, marble floors, a vessel. SINK set in a carbon fiber countertop, and gold fixtures throughout. Even the mirror features Ferrari's logo etched in the corner, subtly reminding you of the brand's prestige. The 2026 Ferrari luxury motorhome is more than just an RV. It's a statement. A fusion of performance, craftsmanship, and comfort that turns every road trip into a grand tour worthy of the Ferrari name. The 2026 GMC Savannah luxury motorhome. Proof that practicality and everyday reliability can be transformed into a rolling luxury escape. The GMC Savannah has always been known as a dependable workhorse, but now it's been reimagined into something truly extraordinary. A mobile mansion with style, comfort, and modern tech that rivals even the most expensive RVs on the market. From the outside, the Savannah keeps its strong, confident stance, but the details tell a different story. The front fascia has been redesigned with sleek LED headlights, a chrome-accented grille, and aerodynamic body lines that stretch into an extended, double-floor motorhome shell. Painted in a crisp pearl white with champagne gold lower accents, it's elegant yet approachable. Large panoramic windows dominate the side profile, while subtle chrome trim gives it an upscale finish. Under the hood, the Savannah motorhome is powered by a refined V8 hybrid system delivering a smooth, quiet ride with plenty of torque for long-distance cruising. It's designed to handle highways, mountain roads, and even off-grid adventures without sacrificing luxury. Step inside, and the transformation is instantly clear. The cockpit has been upgraded with plush captain's chairs wrapped in premium leather, a digital infotainment system with a massive touch display, and wood grain trim that adds warmth and sophistication. The kitchen is compact yet feature-rich. Quartz countertops with subtle gold flecks, a hidden stainless steel fridge, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and deep farmhouse-style sink with a brushed nickel faucet. LED strip lighting under the cabinets gives the space a cozy glow. Perfect for late-night cooking. The bedroom feels more like a boutique hotel suite than an RV. A queen-size bed with high-end memory foam mattress, custom cabinetry for storage, soft fabric wall panels, and a large side window with blackout shades for privacy. The colors are neutral and calming, with soft beige tones accented by warm wood. The bathroom is both practical and beautiful. A corner shower with glass doors, a porcelain sink set into a marble-look countertop, and stylish matte black fixtures. There's even a heated towel rack and a skylight above the shower for natural light. The 2026 GMC Savannah luxury motorhome isn't trying to be a hypercar on wheels. It's built to be the ultimate road companion for those who want reliability, style, and comfort all in one package. It's proof that you don't need to be a billionaire to travel like one. The 2026 Kenworth W900 double-floor motorhome, where the soul of America's most iconic long-haul truck meets the extravagance of a luxury penthouse. For decades, the W900 has been a symbol of pure trucking heritage, with its long-nose design and unmistakable chrome shine. Now, it's been reimagined into something few could have ever imagined: a two-story palace on wheels. From the front, that classic W900 profile is instantly recognizable: the tall grille, the bold hood lines, and the shimmering chrome bumper. But behind the cab, the story changes. The traditional trailer has been replaced with a custom-built double-decker motorhome shell, finished in deep metallic navy and pearl white, with polished aluminum accents running the length of the body. Massive tinted glass panels give it a sleek, modern profile, while integrated LED light strips add a futuristic edge. This isn't just about looks under the hood. The W900 is fitted with a next-generation diesel-electric hybrid drivetrain, offering the raw pulling power the W900 is known for, but with smoother acceleration and whisper-quiet cruising when needed. Inside, the transformation is breathtaking. The main deck houses a full kitchen worthy of a high-end apartment. Polished granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, an induction cooktop, a built-in oven, and a premium refrigerator hidden behind custom cabinetry, all arranged to make cooking on the road as effortless as it is elegant. Climb the staircase to the upper floor, and you enter the bedroom suite. Large panoramic windows provide sweeping views, and the king-sized bed is wrapped in Egyptian cotton sheets. Rich mahogany paneling, soft, recessed lighting, and built-in storage give the space a warm, timeless feel. The bathroom rivals what you'd find in a luxury hotel: a walk-in glass shower with rainfall head, marble flooring, a stone vessel sink, gold-accented fixtures, and heated floors. Even the mirror is backlit and equipped with anti-fog technology. Throughout the interior, the craftsmanship is unmatched, every detail carefully chosen to balance the rugged spirit of the W900 with refined, modern comfort. This is a truck that can haul across the country, but make you feel like you never left home. The 2026 Kenworth W900 double-floor motorhome is more than just an evolution of a classic. It's a statement of ambition, designed for those who believe the journey should be just as grand as the destination.